Hey everyone, this is Caleb from Columbia EDP. I hope you're having a great day so far. So in this video, what I'd like to cover is interacting with iSolved's timekeeping product as a client user. So the individuals that are client users are pretty much like the top level administrators, and they're going to have access to running payroll, really kind of more of the high level things in an organization, but they're still also going to have pretty much the same abilities that managers and supervisors do when it comes to editing time cards as well. So I wanted to get into kind of both of those things, interacting with time cards, and then also a little sneak peek into what the payroll process looks like. And so let's go ahead and get started. And so I am on the login page for client users. Managers and supervisors can also use this page if they want to, but chances are they'll actually be going through the adaptive employee experience login. So I'm just going to log in with my test account here. And hopefully this landing page here looks somewhat familiar. It may look a little bit different, but keep in mind this is just a demo account. And rather than focus on, what may look a little bit different, just follow along with me here as I explain, what I would like you to pay attention to. I'll just put it that way. So off to the left here, we're going to click into Employee Self-Service, Time, and then Time Card. And so I'm going to search for the employee in particular I want to look at. And I'm just going to pick Employee Test A. And so this is what the time card looks like. And just to give you a quick introduction, we've got our times arranged vertically here on the left, going from midnight all the way through essentially midnight on the next day, but it stops at 11 p.m. here. We've got our time recorded in blocks. So this makes me think of block scheduling in something like Outlook. Chances are you're familiar with that program. Essentially the same principle is at play here as well. And so we can see that, we've got 8 a.m. to noon and then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. We've got our totals at the bottom here as well. And then, let's say we just want to add some time. We can click and drag. Then we'll choose hour. This would be the option to pick if we know, if we already know what the employee clocked in and clocked out for. This hour is a quicker way of entering the time. And so, let's say it was actually 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I'll just change that there real quick. Notice our duration updates. We can leave a note if we want to, but I'll go ahead and click save. When a change is made, we're kind of in this intermediate state, and what we'll want to do is click on show results in the upper left. And so now that we've done that, we can see that now we have a block of time on Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And that's basically a quick introduction to interacting with the time card. Everything else that's involved with a time card, kind of follows the same steps that we went through with adding this time. If you wanted to delete some time, you can just give a single click. Go down here, click on this trash can icon. So not too complicated to delete something, but that's a quick introduction to the time card. In the next video, I will get into the payroll process.